take the wheel off. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug studs off. Go to take the last one off. Because they're lug studs, the wheel's just gonna fall. So I'm gonna hold the wheel on. Take that stud off, and then grab the wheel, take it off. Now let's just take this bracket right here. Just slide that out of the way. And then take the brake hose and just slide it out. All right, I'm gonna take this nut off. Before that, I just wanna put a little rust penetrant on it. Just make it come off a little easier. And I'm gonna use a 16mm socket, take the nut off. And the stud is actually spinning. So what I'm gonna do is take some locking pliers and just grab the stud from the backside. All right, now I was able to get the nut off. And just slide this out of the way. Take the locking pliers off. Now to take the bottom one off, I'm going to do the same. Just use some locking pliers on the stud and take this nut off. Use a 16mm socket. So I use the locking pliers to hold these studs, but there is 2 flat spots on these studs. What you could use is an 18mm wrench to hold that from spinning. That works as well. All right, take the new link, slide it through. Take the nut. Get the nut started, and I'll use a 18mm wrench. Keep the stud from spinning. And then tighten up the nut. I'm going to torque that nut to 48 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to slide the sway bar link in position. If you need to, just use a pry bar and just pry down on the sway bar itself. Get it so it's lined up. And take the nut, get the nut started. And then on the back side, use an 18mm wrench. And the stud is slotted, so this will keep the stud from spinning. And I'll just snug this up first. And then torque this nut to 48 foot-pounds. Take the brake hose and this rubber grommet. You want to slide that slot through this bracket. Just like that. And then take this clip. It's going to go on the back side, like that. And just clip on the front. Take the wheel, put the wheel back on. Get the lug stud. Now I'm just going to torque these lug bolts to 110 foot-pounds. I'm going to do it in a star pattern so that it tightens the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.